Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with the essentials. Identify your HP ProBook model and make sure Windows is up to date so drivers behave. Once done, locate the keyboard backlight key, commonly F5 or F3 with a small lamp icon, because that's your primary control. Make sure the laptop is plugged in or has sufficient battery to prevent sleep interruptions. If you don't see the icon, press and hold the FN key while scanning the top row. That reveals the alternative key mappings you'll use next. Now you'll enable the light. Press FN plus the backlight key to cycle through off, low, and high brightness. Do it slowly to register each step. If that does nothing, open Windows Mobility Center or the HP System utility to toggle keyboard illumination and adjust timeout settings. Make sure keyboard and human interface device drivers show as functional in Device Manager. Update them if flagged. If drivers were updated, restart the laptop, so firmware and driver settings. Finish by restarting the laptop once more and testing the FN plus backlight key combinations to confirm the change. If it still fails, reboot into BIOS/UEFI and look for a keyboard illumination setting. Enable it and save changes. Make sure you ran HP Support Assistant for driver bundles and BIOS revisions. Sometimes a BIOS update restores functionality. If none of this works, consider an external USB keyboard with backlight or contact HP service. Hardware faults like failed backlight or connector issues require professional repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.